Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to use Google Maps walking directions, and now let's dive right in. Now to use Google Maps walking directions, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. After opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface, in order to use the Google Maps walking direction, let's first search for a destination where we can walk. So in order to do that, let's tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for a destination where we can walk. And after searching a destination near to you, you can see, guys, and after choosing a destination to which you can walk, guys, you can see this kind of interface appears where you can find your directions. There it says all of your options from Google Maps are available over here. We'll be required to tap on the directions button over here on this interface after searching for a destination. And after tapping on the directions button, guys, you can see on this interface there is the route for a car or a vehicle, a train, and then there is the walking directions over here. So you can just tap on this kind of icon when this interface appears. Whenever you search for a destination over here, you can see there is the walking directions. By this way, guys, you will be able to use your walking directions on Google Maps. So let's try it for another destination. Let's close it and let's go back and let's search for another destination over here. And we can see, guys, this is not a particular walking destination, but for demo's purpose it's okay. And after searching for a destination on this interface, tap on the directions button over here. And over here, when we tap on the directions button, it will go to this interface where you will be able to view your walking directions mode over here. Tap on walking directions mode, and then you will be able to use your Google Maps walking directions like this. And there, guys, this is how to use Google Maps walking directions. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.